Hello everybody, welcome to this new video. In this video, I am going to show you that how to make the Thor's hammer in Blender. First add and buys a curve. Then in the edit mode right click and subdivide the curve. Now turn back to object mode and add a circle curve. Now, I reduce the size of this curve. Now, by clicking the curve, move to the bevel section of the curve. And turn the bevel to the object, and set the target to the curve. You can control the size by scaling down the size of the circle curve. Now you can turn to edit mode, and you can adjust this curve by clicking and by rotating these points. You can also extrude these points by hitting E on the keyboard. You can also add more curves like this, and your hammer is ready now. You can find the download link for the model in the description.
Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.